Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 Fire Weather Outlook. We have an elevated risk for fire spread tomorrow that encompasses a tiny bit of south central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, west central and northwestern Texas, west central Oklahoma, and that's about it, for the elevated. If you notice the brown area, the brown circle, that's where we have a chance for isolated dry thunderstorms tomorrow. Isolated dry thunderstorms tomorrow. The concept of a dry thunderstorm is dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any precipitation. You see the air is dry, so the precipitation would evaporate before reaching the ground. So, you still get thunder and lightning. So, if there's thunder and lightning with no precipitation, that's called a dry thunderstorm. And if that happens, and lightning hits the ground, it could ignite a fire. So you want to be aware of that for the dry thunderstorm potential for tomorrow. So the previous discussion, a mid-level impulse will overspread the desert southwest tomorrow, Wednesday, with surface low development expected over the southern plains. The surface low will encourage dry downslope flow across portions of the southern high plains tomorrow afternoon, resulting in 15 mile per hour sustained winds, westerly surface winds amid 15% relative humidity. These conditions will overspread dry fuels, warranting the introduction of elevated highlights. So, 20Z update. Expected increased mid-level moisture, steep low-level relapse rates, and resultant instability east of the dry line in the eastern Texas Panhandle and far western Oklahoma has prompted the introduction of an isolated dry thunderstorm area. A few lightning ignitions from high-base thunderstorms are a concern within the dry fuelscape. An outflow wind could promote problematic fire weather conditions through the afternoon and early evening. Elevated fire weather highlights have been maintained across the southern high plains as sustained westerly winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour and 15% relative humidity overspread dry fuels. However, increasing mid and high-level clouds may limit deeper mixing. See the previous discussion for more information. So, that's your Day 2 Fire Weather Outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas tomorrow. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas tomorrow. Because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit, because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start to spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe in these areas tomorrow, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.